DeepSeek released DeepSeek-Harness version 0.1 in developer preview and published the source under the MIT license. Everything in the harness is a plugin: models, tools, sessions, sandboxes, storage, loops, scheduling, and the UI. You assemble runtimes by swapping plugins. DeepSeek frames agents as model plus harness. Most harnesses hardcode the control loop, tool registry, and session store. Harness runs on Cordis, a meta framework where a kernel mounts plugins and manages dependencies. Capabilities live in plugins, so you can swap components by configuration. Version 0.1 ships standard, minimal, and creator modes. Standard is a full coding agent with file editing, shell, search, planning, and workflows, and includes a code mode SDK for TypeScript. Minimal is for benchmarking with a persistent bash and simple editor. Creator adds runtime inspection and preset authoring. A Python SDK named deepseek-harness-SDK is included. Plugins cover models, tools, skills, sessions, sandboxes, storage, loops, scheduling, and the UI. Cordis provides services and events, so plugins coordinate. Everything the model sees is written to an append-only session log: system prompts, reasoning, tool calls, and results, sub-agent scheduling, and every context injection. A trajectory view supports resume, fork, search, and replay. The plugin first design lowers friction for experiments and shipping. You can swap an LLM provider or sandbox without refactoring the harness. The append-only log improves reproducibility and makes context injections auditable. Repo: deepseek-AI/deepseek-harness. From a checkout run, git clone, pm install, and pm run build. Start the web UI with npx at deepseek-AI/dshweb. The UI serves at http://127.0.0.1:3080. Catalog supports Anthropic and OpenAI via API keys. Bedrock, Vertex, Azure, and Codex require native credentials in provider fields. Python SDK needs Python 3.10 or newer and supports Linux x64, Linux ARM64, and macOS 14 Plus on ARM64. DeepSeek states, v0.1 is a developer preview, not a production product. Some cloud providers require native credentials and provider-specific fields. Keys are stored write-only in $DSH_home/.credentials.yaml, and settings keep only a credential reference. DeepSeek Harness version 0.1 is an open-source developer kit. It treats runtime capabilities as plugins and records every context injection. Worth testing for custom agent runtimes. Source: MarkTech post coverage of DeepSeek Harness version 0.1. Link in the description.